Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I have another manicure video for you. In this video, I'll be customizing my favorite nude color. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll start by, getting a little container and I'll come in with a little bit of my transparent gel. I'll come in with a drop of color brown. Then I'll add another drop of the pink nail polish. I'll just go ahead and mix everything up. I'll come in with a pinch of gold shimmer and give it a final mix. So this is ready. I'll just set this aside for later. So I'll come in with my file and I'll file the surface and the edges of my nails. I'll come in with a dehydrator and cleanse off any dust. I'll come in with a primer. I'll give my nails 1 coat each. So I'll be using my base gel as glue, so I'll come in with a little bit of the base gel, then put my nail extension onto my natural nails. I'll push it down into the cuticle area to give it that natural look. I'll come in with my file and file the tips. Now it's time to use the gel. I'll come in with a bowl of the gel and with the help of my slip liquid, I'll just work on it. So afterwards, I will cure it for 60 seconds. So I want some French tips. I'll get my silicone stump and come in with white gel polish. Then I'll dip the tip of my nails into the polish. After I'm all done, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. And yes, we are all done now. Let me know what you think. Do you like the color? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.